Hey friends, it's Maya. We're tasting today the spinach and artichoke quiche and also the broccoli and cheddar quiche as well. And this quiche set is from Costco, and this is what it looks like. If you're going to someone home for potluck, whether it's Christmas or another holiday or so, this would be a great gift to give. Vegetarian. Okay, so I'm going to preheat the oven actually, and I'm going to put it in the oven. And I'm going to put it in the oven for about 25 minutes or so. I really like how this is packaged, right? So you can keep it in the fridge or just freeze it. So this is a nice little package. Oh, I think, you know what? I think I'm just going to do one for now. And I feel like I'm going to try the broccoli and cheddar. So I'll do one for now. And then maybe in another video, I'll do the other one as well. But this one looks pretty good. I'm going to try it. And this is going to be for my lunch today. Well, breakfast, lunch, or brunch, or whatever you call it. I'm going to open this, take off the plastic, and then we can just cook it in this, okay? Be sure to remove that protective plastic off it before you put it in the... before you put it in the oven. So I'm going to put this in the oven as soon as the oven gets warm enough. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes or so, and that should be lunch. So this is what it looks like. This is, remember, we are taste testing, and this is the quiche. This is the cheddar and broccoli quiche. So we're doing this one today, and I'm just going to cut this. Nice little pie shape. It went into the oven for 25 minutes. Nice and hot. That's like how we like it. Ooh, that's how we like it. I hope everyone is having a nice day. This is lunch actually, and not dinner. So this is good to go. And so we have some. Okay, and then I'm pairing it with some salad. This is the buffalo blue salad from Costco. It has nice seasoned croutons and also crumbs of blue cheese, and then of course the buffalo ranch dressing. So this is pretty creamy. It looks good. So we're taste testing both of them, my friends. So it's a nice little healthy meal, right? 100% vegetarian. This is a vegetarian meal, and this is great alternative to having meat. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab some forks. All right, here we go. I'm gonna cut this in there, and this is Costco, and this is Costco quiche, new find for me. That looks good.
I like the crust.
It's not bad. You have to love quiche in order to enjoy this.
You have to like eggs.
It's not for me.
No, you don't like them?
Not even a little bit.
She doesn't like eggs.
I like quiche. And there's a salad. Can you try the salad? The salad is from Costco
The
too.
salad isn't bad. It's this. I don't get this. You know what I was expecting? I was expecting, like, you know, the artichoke dip.
I like blue cheese in my salad, but this salad is quite tangy, and it's not my favorite.
Yeah, I think the pairing was just odd.
I thought the quiche, the cheddar broccoli quiche would go well with the blue cheese, with the buffalo blue salad. But no, I don't like the salad. It's very tangy. I don't taste the blue cheese how I like to taste blue cheese in my salad. The quiche is a good alternative for a meatless meal. However, you have to You have to love quiche in order to enjoy this.
Mom, it's not meatless, it's egg based.
It's egg, but this is a vegetarian meal, right? Even though it's not vegan for sure, but vegetarian. There it is. As I said, I don't really particularly like this salad. But I don't mind the quiche. I don't think I'll buy that salad anymore. That's the buffalo blue. I don't really enjoy it. What do you think of the quiche?
It's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Never had quiche in years.
But I also think it's a nice light lunch. Quiche is not as bad as you thought. I think it can pass. It really can. Okay, guys, you heard it here first. Stay tuned when we try the spinach artichoke. I think you should still go out and get a package of these 2 quiches, $15.99 at Costco, and let me know what you think. And of course, the salad that we have here is buffalo blue salad, also from Costco. I'm gonna say yay to the quiche, but nay to the salad. Thank you for watching.